this season and even last season. I watch there are times Hazard wo ahwenye na ot bench na Rodrigo and I say Vinicius elbow. But then no he needed somebody who could turn something for him. Now on one anaka. Yes, first half no dane no ba ku mienu bi no binya yellow card. Na am catch up mo no mo say that is it. On timi nyere. Just elbow. Say who say Eden Hazard ni no. Ye bisa say Eden Hazard ni signature match or Champions League mu any match ben only call Inter Milan, only the first, only the second. Look, only the thing. Eden Hazard has never been a Champions League match winner. It's a match we Chelsea bought Champions League. The moment of Hazard and no buy no be you no. Obekwa kodas is here. In general, be an isi no. Nenya di be won bebre, but he had to play because obi ani ho. Options never on enye. If they have options, they wouldn't bring him. Chelsea were options. How much options need? And in terms of policy, even though first leg no ball part tranching, you can come and affect the game. So Real Madrid bench now on wine and they free bench or ababa best game. More quality, or more depth. So on the occasion, players and they met a better opposition. The ultimate is that they met a better opposition on the day, and the better opposition proved to them. Say Bebre Bruno, now they are combined age of that midfield three saying over Chelsea midfield three no the boy combined age saying ya can't answer fear. Say the statistical research in football clearly shows say only obi bobo now to Mika China 98% of the time Oshano yeah. The distance covered statistics from the gamer. Chelsea sefata some ball final. They had control. Real Madrid were always looking for their moments, and the moments came. It wasn't going to be. First one I Mendy and the I felt say a wetry into goalkeeper that Puma mostly about the I'll be who's a ball neighbor. But Mendy me personally surprising me. I know he's good, but I didn't know he was that good. I make Kahubi. Yeah. Yeah, I thought he was an okay goalkeeper. Yeah. And quite of us my shares in the guy have gone into that game. Yeah. Because we're born and our boys never anymore. And then wow, Cairo International to them Baghdad Bunija is about born in a normal catch. They might go back, go still. Deflection, but he's recovered fully. Oba Chelsea and he was okay. Echebe shaky kakra. He has good moments. For that very save on the Benzema shot, I'll give him credit. But the header, Benzema let himself down. Because if you are going for any side of the post, any other side, he let himself down. I mean, it's when I friend the show ball, yes, so direct at him. Into also spending a Felix and Oyiria. No, I say John Wabeto to say the no. Any other side of the ball of the post, there you go at the Real Madrid. But you see, the competition, the man yet the man the home cano, the moment. Obi no, your chip ball na ball crossbar, a buy na venage now. These are the moments that define these games. Real Madrid, they've been very dominant in the recent times. But BBD dance CPF say Ahodeno ewo fem kakra this time around because it's been a strange season. COVID. Team abasa throughout the season. You watch Real Madrid play. The last time I met Maka say their strongest 11 send ye no. Midfielder say omomobo. Every single timer, every department no be honum until the consistent three. Recover the midfield three of Casemiro, Cruz and Modric. Recover but a trainee any moody. I think is a team that has been way too decimated. Now away from that, approach Vinicius Jr. and then his ability on Chilwell. Chilwell defensive problem, but whoever Chilwell loses in defensive inadequacies, right? I don't call them any recovery pace. Kyle Walker was hard in the Obetma Bananima be a mistake. A Kemabo so Dimrika no ba Obedru ho abeye bibi and I say stop it cross no and I say oh ye bibia Emma delivering Emma the correct way it should be. So clearly he used that. Nemum Vinicius Jr. in the game is based on pace. After the Liverpool first leg, Vinicius Jr. has not done anything worthy of note in the Champions League for Real Madrid. Then so options no way. Options in here. Like I say, and then my main fan and I'm a man in Tranchain now Sumesi and now maintain Embebo and Rabon I born from 3 no anytime I bones Real Madrid air threaten seriously no na Karim Benzema and I will take the fight to the Chelsea backline back for now what they saying but Mama Kano where was the support staff in your to be Real Madrid be creative be on Fifia a Chelsea overload with both Modric and Kroos in central midfield areas pushing the Chelsea midfield and backline further back so I'm Komochi no so intimate bobonibi but Chelsea are building almost system no on clean sheet and the way manner they mark both zonally and man had their home kawum natural in your ball be in the second half or you saw across the ball opeja first one on space be any second one across the ball Rudiger didn't even move. Maybe I know Jinana no Jinaye. Why? Because he knew so well none of the attackers could jump then cross Natonechi, marking the man, marking the space. And I am say tennis ball now. No more training now. These are some of the benefits you get. Shirt pulling baby.
Yeah.
Shirt pulling now. Omu pull shirt ne every omu say that's omu player edge no money.
Yeah.
And as opposing player edge no money. How do you explain this? There was a yellow card for Sergio Ramos on Cesar Azpilicueta. Na ye a video no na ade a Sergio Ramos appear Azpilicueta na reform in the attacking area penalty box for Real Madrid omo attacking corner kick and I train the show adentia because omo me anu see referee ending the lines na nim no and Azpilicueta I saw Ramos move or train and got him out of position out of the way of the cross. Why? Because onim no on about national team no players are omuni height and some more leap and now jump back up Sergio Ramos. How do you defend him? Don't let him attack the ball. Into also no training no now Ramos are frustrated.
Yeah.
Our boys ni no free wa. Referee in lines ni ehu omumi no and Azpilicueta be jina nanima or say piano to train no then the card comes in. Playing well, playing smart. This same team omo training in attack. You say okay, you be corner post if you normal ball a triangle in attack instead of a square.
Yeah.
Send a space ni limited. Training ni din. In match games on benya space. So you look at the first goal they scored. Omobo ball na Werner and Fleke out of the corner ball. Or Fleke and Kantify because there's an on-rushing player. Space near Ketwa, but the triangle was complete because Havertz was moving on the left-hand side. Kante feeds, there is a chip. Chip no koye no. Werner is still following up because Ebiana Kipeyi, Ebiana BBSC.
Easy
lack. It's
easy header, yeah.
It's well rehearsed. On the starting move, no?
Yes.
And then he went to finish it because BBA team I feel genuinely you give them credit. But this is the time man say team B ni players ejija metima ball Champions League they drew this level. They've really tried and I think about Mabasu because it's been strange. The injuries has been very incessant. Maybe Abefa Real Madrid team you goalkeeper. Maybe Abefa Biano patch. You give Chelsea the benefit of the doubt. They did enough to qualify over 180 minutes and they have every right to be happy somewhere.
Well, yeah, care about that, Andy. Anra Tagwade Montes anybody can me just shows that I'm on for Chelsea. But Anra how Chelsea fans took to the streets. I was secondly Tagwade and an important one. Man who say Hetty Dr. Kokwati, the secretary we executive secretary of Angel Group or no the ABN AU Angel Group or something can change his own TP square no mbeti. Those who TP is going back. Chelsea fans no. But saying that Taco did no. Menya sound nti yeah and what the two was no we Chelsea fans no matter good street so anadu obi ada no munyane go for Taco ade a o final. Okay, I don't know, but Obi tries.
Chaman can come.
Now, Bogodia.
Nyami adom chaman BBI fine.
BBI ko kama.
Yeah, BBI.
Adisiano ni BBI.
Yeah.
And right, you pass also there because after game we go to this. And no, me so on your calls after game no.
Yeah. No, nipa be brave ni mu say na me Belgium. Say mo exam mini exam kwan bia so amefa so Belgium bia so me ba.
So no go for test.
Oh yes, so bisa how are you doing? I'm so I'm doing okay. Problem your sure say Real Madrid fan bia no Brony wana semo kan we are magnanimous in defeat. Ekruwa na so akese no obi anim say Real Madrid aje impre du miensa so enti se team bia no e share Real Madrid or Champions League ni mu a I'm sure say in fact Mr. Tuchel can say be said they needed it more. O share say near Chelsea mranti any ball now to sampa Champions League final no ehun hia omo papa ye enti ball omo boy no na se fata say omo etumi share Real Madrid enti Madrid fan biaji tum say look it's a result now Real Madrid in same fata say obetumi abosa final way enti ye be ball Chelsea for na baso especially knowing say there's a football club mranti omo Chelsea boboku including coach Thomas Tuchel waya adwuma na so bia ni wo team ni mu awaje Champions League ne be pen enti so mutumi share Madrid sa now we have to give them a lot of credit and they truly deserve it, especially in the second half. O share fine tosumienu ne senia omo nya chances bebre say no a enura kura say no kura wo mu say ka Chelsea share Madrid the can nine kura na nka say mfumso nim esan say omo dominate ya bobo fan etosumienu nim enti ye be bo Chelsea for abaso ene adwuma Thomas Tuchel aye ewo Chelsea bobo ko nim enioma kakra me hu free game nim no me susu say de di kan Edward Mendy de say Chelsea to me drew Chelsea drew final no na oni Ryan Mahrez and be pray the African player of the year no senior Edward Mendy make a difference our Chelsea bobo ko nim no say hu be hia say san so si akan ma Senegal no yen so no afre bibrem ha no ye be bo branch na baso din so benya goalkeeper ofre bibrem ha no wura ma no ne sa na otumi ne modimo no osoro sa in fact or a cousin to Phelan Mendy but ni nyina mu no o kire ni nia ketwa ne say ball no de Chelsea for na ni I was say omo etumi agi kruwa we de toso mienu say ena no pay Chelsea supporters be brain na adwendwen ho say ne asia ye de was say Eden Hazard de ne brain Legon cities because Abrantia no we die wu papa enu akra de ha me kra no osan sre onim say Real Madrid no
for some images no go up and pay be mama darling body this person so ba say de omo see here Abrantia say oni Zuma Madrid fans say hey
chese ye no ohun ye ohun ba ye kra no ball a watena fie no doors chen ball a wabo Eden Hazard a share himself 4 goals and will provide 5 assists na ye nim say ono na eba be share Cristiano Ronaldo anem na anka bibi wo ho ebe pia ama wa ye wa dwen say oh only Chelsea na eba be boy was so ye bibi sronko na Chelsea supporters ehun sampa ya feel na ukọ ye no kra no ye bibi hwe no ball a Eden Hazard e boy na ye wie adwumadie na mom only Chelsea for no na esresre nti ya sane ya nioma si kọ no de Gisa Brandt ne ye pe bi e ma ne fa esanse enura de bibia de ho ye adwuma ma Madrid team no na Chelsea for na hu ye ball na ye pass ball no na is a plan bia ni enura obo boy e kan ye no
so na ni agi I mean oye Madrid ni na obufu odi bufu
yeah
me kaisa emra oka Adebayo bo Arsenal na ya sha Arsenal yeah Adebayo bo Arsenal no osre that day nyame kwa ka me to ade abuti ya say no ya and say how Madrid lost a place in here down
yeah
now we didn't come stress
ka obesre kra na nka dressing room ho na only mrantia no nkosre because we your former teammates na park ne so pa wa wudi meka Real Madrid that ball ho any ball a untumi mo na oba besre wo park no so dia na hadwen papa
you kana Andy amfion room kakra with dressing room ho no okay dressing room no Andy walk you through how Chelsea celebrated it players in free stadium this had in nyina
Jabadane yen shase free time and game ne be shase e the streets of London na streets are na lead to Stamford Bridge no Chelsea for no kwatwen and then so mo sheda contem na omo kwatwen two teams ni nyina on the Chelsea fans na ne ho omo kwatwen two teams ni nyina nti live on Facebook live on 1HD TV
okay.
Chelsea team no Abra Madrid for no eba no na
nya some to cans bo Madrid for their two is Chelsea for to can to two ebo
ya share we na munya akasadeka nti live on Facebook nti Abra Chelsea Madrid Timbers ne Madrid eba no by the street nim
on the streets of
on the flesh ni bibia blue
wow
bibia blue bibi we Madrid na ebo
aye
and na say we attend you
omo so omo hu say omo ntiase Daviana, this is Madrid.
Ekwe ni say na say attend you nko na yedi matem we ne no mbedi matem pa na chairman our dressing room there no ho dressing room there
obi dey on team no we dan ni guachi see affordable house
chairman our Chelsea dressing room ho na nya asem ketwa ho enra Edward Mendy ye video na o Chelsea dressing room ho na o players no almost celebrations away a picture me hu say nkrofo crop here den Hazard sad na kwhye picture ni nche
I me hu say I'm about photo
ebi so say no na etwa picture no on Chelsea one day in phone dem ma Hazard no ni twa picture na we Chelsea team azero no
under that forms are no obi akokura you can you see the excitement say energy levels no anoding energy levels na anoding na once again congratulations to Chelsea and it
chairman na yen to aso
na dressing room odi
Edward
plus na tiatem za no
nyizo chairman nyizo
ni omo dede ni
nyizo we dressing room no mu pie free dressing room no so N'Golo Kante ko fie ni chama on videos no Kante on the cars how many coupons on the car kete na N'Golo Kante ko fie na Chelsea supporters ne eto chain wo kwam na emu aye din second car ne be ko car no so de kakrem ko ma be kuka epida nti Kante car ni N'Golo Kante kan kete car mini coupon bi e na Kante team no
na security for no bread no stewards no dey for because Kale
ti Kante na ekon ten ka na ketu bi na where the other angle of N'Golo Kante ekon na Thomas Tuchel so kon no so mo to chi no Tuchel so ekon fans ne to chi no kwam mo to chi no kwam ma che
anybody be atwen ya go me boys in the
Thomas Tuchel ni onu so ne ka ni na che se enye hizo enu ade na obi mu se
Thomas Tuchel no omo okonini
95.7.
Well, hey Chelsea.
But I know say Fiorentino so Chelsea win in a time kakra.
Fragile Press. Super League nana.
Hey, omo de banners ni bi ko e.
Okay.
Before game no. Na onzo no na say European Super League no na president. To omo koye ne kakra say ball na so mpeso omo disika. Man nka ni maye basa. To no so omo ko share no kwam ne kakra kama. Endi German no de Chelsea de na enigye nko a be bia wo Chelsea na enigye nko anti na say me say Chelsea for na no pay o must start ade bi o German. On say 4 teams are about Champions League. Chelsea are shame 3.
4 teams are
about Champions League now from Spain.
Spain for.
Spain for no 4.
Chelsea are say
3.
Hey, David Thomas for me who? Obviously prayers in the beginning. Chelsea bono as a year most okay. Chelsea has share Spanish 4 teams from the Spanish
Chelsea has
La Liga. Chelsea has 3. Sevilla,
Atletico. No de Real Madrid account. Em so Oche Barca so e ko em won bank.
O commission na ba say dia yi. Come no conversion simple cry. Em Barca is I am Brazil. Barca is I am Brazil yeah. Barca ni Real Madrid na am indeed. Okay.
But also say Chelsea so abe the only team a member team nebo Champions League final. Man so e Champions League final.
Hey, and
against Barcelona.
I feel
a man so be final against Barca. And the man so be final against Manchester City.
And blue day and Chelsea day. And then Chelsea for I feel your mafia. Chelsea for I feel your mafia.
Easy na anwedi na Edward Mendy so on German na onsa near Bonabaso. He say Champions League 11 games, 8 clean sheets, 8 wins, wa consider 3 goals and are just a defeat. Ne debut ever Champions League no.
Many of you against this year African Player of the Year between on Riyad Mahrez and the final also be training what we be na actually say the be winning the win what we na yam kwaya nim me who picture be minim asen kram you is it Messi Mount ni policy kana ya no am but on Sergio Ramos tattoos no kwaya Sergio Ramos kwaya tattoos I want listed han kram you way Messi Mount ni policy na say policy no abo ya crack it one or no but Chelsea academy or quiet trials or okay it's picture ni only Messi and now me no see the how the Chelsea but Champions League final yes it there but Sergio Ramos tattoos no they say talk paper one obi
yeah
tattoos or yeah or the buy ni
na Istanbul dey anyhow
or the Istanbul account
ade an winning I'm not sure say photo because Ramos dey on winning ade na e be all the tattoo akwagu akonto na
something name ade be bad nyina but Didier Drogba before the game Didier Drogba Chelsea legend na Drogba no message for Chelsea fans any Chelsea team nyina ahead of the game. Didier Drogba.
Come on, guys. You know what we're playing. Win this one. Bring the cup back home. Come on, you Blues. Come on. I'm already wearing my shirt, ready to celebrate. Come on, you Blues. Come on. Give it all.
Give it all. Enra. Didier Drogba. Now, after game, we know. And I did Drogba some another video. Wait a quick one. Charlie never told me said the no see the near just say
Rubao.
I say Rudy I said wow say Obian but even when chat on remember Obian Atabos near game no say Darling Paul so banana Darling Paul umbrana of rain okay Timo Werner wife sorry tell us about wife I don't hear Timo Werner some okay say I don't know why my attackant can't do the goal. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, wait there. Timo say goal no. Why your video for? Timo Werner.
Werner, very good. That's what I'm talking about. You know do the goal. Woo! You are the best, my friend. Love you.
Okay, wait. Thiago Silva's wife. Darling Paul, boy, you won't send Sempi na koso aba ye ka ba Spanish newspapers no me Madrid for there some no mo ka form. Ansani aba England there no na ya ba game no in itself.
Okay, chairman, the edikan no Jaribe tima me ewura mo Blaugranes for ne wa. Barcelona for no baby omo no El Spoke waka tani di bibi ba.
Almost the same.
Enti senka Jaribe de to so ameyasha. Omo di kan ka say la cahier.
I said just
just on the street.
On the street just I said just
say what na man for you many after the game no street
I want from Brabant even Barcelona for the while that's the way about Barcelona okay
and the Real Madrid Sergio Ramos atoswa na osheni dimi na original wa na enche wonu no mo se Madrid se fuera de la final de la Champions Track se a Rolado por un Chelsea que ganó todo merecimiento almost say merecimiento chese merit like they qualified on merit
okay
they deserve it
okay
enti almost say Madrid for no eni omu nka hu bio ya wo Messi baby and onya dia so mo kwakobo finals ni bi eni Chelsea for no deserve and Chelsea share no mo share no omo deserve so omo ko and omo sade ba say alok de Zidane solo la escuela la bola de la liga sino quieren terminar temporada en blanco de omo kanyina so omo say Zidane boys no ne mlantia no eni de omo wan say league no na so omo je omo Barcelona for no madi kan ji kuruwa
but Madrid for no they are kay league no
omu huru
enti so omo anyi league na omo ko trophyless eno enso no omo ka na Hazard de no na danchen ho no wo hwe the way Hazard
Osre no
no
kan kire me
what so mo say
Hazard indignan
Hazard indigna ar Madridismo riendo con sus es compañeros tras la eliminación riendo con sus ex compañeros riendo just Osre with the ex teammates es compañeros
after elimination no
yes tras la eliminación
okay.
After elimination no
okay.
Hazard any ni teammates no esre but almost say Hazard indigna ar Madridismo just say wa show mabufu Madrid for no oh enei wa mo bu afu pa enti no so na nsem afiri ho e ba ye but ye Real Madrid kronima
omo ho no na mbede mu di omo
yeah okay chairman ex Dario for no so di nsem bi bai and almost say sin fu exactly sin champions domo kanyina ne say enra Madrid for no onya de so mo e force e kra bo no mo bo na won di bi anim but say one force so a untimi nya champion
say na champion bobo sa no bi jomo
debi enti sana ex Dario ko akrata no enso e kanom so un Chelsea tan solido como en la ida liquida con justicia ar agotado equipo de Zidane lo Ajax in final almost no na Chelsea for no solid as first leg you know the way almost be boy you know the same thing and almost a boy no we are very solid almost Zidane extra agurok so there are people Zidane is why proud of the boys you know BBA no Zidane say oh you proud of the boys you know
okay
and no so any do mo kai
okay
yeah.
Well darling Paul your fans here now let's come to the game itself how they did it any you know Obi tries make sure you feel San Masaba at home said I'm for a show now omo pon ka
me sure say chawa obama Chelsea for so akwenya no ma frɛ is as
definitely
enije do ma kuma so
definitely and then Chelsea day
absolutely chairman I'm say nura nkunimdi a Chelsea for enyae no ye betumi ahwe afie afan bebre de edikan mesha se afie openye friend Thomas Tuchel a wetumi asesa Chelsea shebre obi anim say na Frank Lampard wo ho no se ne o City and in Pempenso German coach here or share the Jumasi or Menzo 5 or Rome or Dortmund there's some or Paris Saint-Germain beso Chelsea boboku no send you see Sam Rantier ball or show bit say Kai Havertz or Mason Mount Cesar Spilicueta goalkeeper Edward Mendy Rantier we no in fact Antonio Rudiger nra kra say no or send ya Brantier no aggression levels na wasro or send ya N'Golo Kante e ball na no krani Thomas Tuchel aye adwuma papa ye na Thomas Tuchel no am say or ya set record bi e wo say my adwen koso Paris Saint-Germain for eto name ato Mbappe no metoto top players akese no na e wo say okoyi opanya friend Unai Emery free or no okosa dwumade anim okay say last season or the drew the Champions League final or say Rome e wo Chelsea so no matoto akese pa in fact this season cry no Chelsea for spending close like 247 million pounds on signings Kai Havertz, Timo Werner, Edward Mendy, Nomen Pulisic, Numino, Wenumniano, ne Kai Hakim Ziyech, Numino, of course, na Pulisic order that. Now, when Numino no more one no into top football club now top players I can see. Na coach Biba or known to me Nyajumana. Ewo Europe in Asia player coach or to me sister players I can see or Moshe Breno, a coach a friend Thomas Tuchel. Na I was saying tier for so at yes openyu na juma odi na juma odi no juma wadi ama Chelsea no nya na o shase free Dortmund aso ye Dortmund ko na Jurgen Klopp e free ko Liverpool enti Jurgen Klopp 4-3-3 and 4-2-3-1 formation na empempi ota yusu e wo Dortmund aso ye ho no eno an openyu na ko to aso ko ye ho omo possessive football ball no ko anim ho na ade a omo pese obi na nka ball the Chelsea team we hu ni say of course a brand abrante friend Timo Werner a player obetumi abon as a center forward but odi ne koto left hono so a ana benkum afamu a eya ade ne modemo so aniti ne ball na kwa Man City de ne kakra esanse oma attacking midfielders no Mason Mount Kai Havertz no ene mrante no mo animo no obia no movement into spaces ya de eboa ne papa ye na osan possess ball no de ntia Thomas Tuchel possessive football no say ono who say possessive football is strategy, a defensive strategy because who possessive ball now and then the Bema team now ni say and I say sorry second half ni year Real Madrid of course I think in general terms Real Madrid in possession Chelsea but second half no Chelsea Madrid mrante ne brand tell me say omo pass ball ni say na Real Madrid bro say they were chasing shadows into sa possessive football no or the Dortmund for na yeah Marco Reus Pulisic Aubameyang Henrik Mkhitaryan hospital no man rante ne press say jaiba ma Dortmund for ne Okoye no say na mo ball na sa na oye wo Chelsea oma obitse Lucas Piaszczek ne wing backs no ne full backs no mo ball anim Julian Weigl na ne oye o N'Golo Kante Nuri Sahin Shinji Kagawa Marco Reus Mkhitaryan mo ball no sa na Chelsea se sia no omo yoma Cesar Spilicueta calling him and I think say he was smart. Wama Cesar Spilicueta is on the ball right wing back position, you know, because you say Reece James or calling him where ya nisa nanso defend no ya na kaka cranty now was say Christiansen be share Cesar Spilicueta no to me echo boss right wing back position, you know, and Cesar is doing so well. Or ya Sanyoma we nia wa Dortmund dem amrantie no ball ni boy ye and na Mkhitaryan call Man United and ma Christian Pulisic Kenya akwan wa Chelsea Aubameyang nya akwanya so wa Arsenal owie no e no ba team e friend Paris Saint-Germain so no 4-3-3 na 4-2-3-1 na no di eye adwuma e ho so no ne full backs ne e call manim omo ye adwuma no anya Mbappe Neymar any abrante friend Edson Cavani maybe sometimes otumi nya abrante friend Mauro Icardi na de matu kill ball no e hu ni se ono no se ubo Chelsea ye nyina ho say oh number 8 and now you're number 10 now ball number now debi baby akwenya bia wono de broni friend spaces the awareness of the space I know the master coach we no ne modemo no eso en yanko Paris Saint-Germain ho say na no ono so emo mo etumi e ball no into Mbappe Julian Draxler Rabiot in fact no ball 3 back no Dortmund or some the ball 3 back or Paris Saint-Germain there were certain games so you saw 3 back no ubenya pencil Kembembe ubenya Thiago Silva ubenya Marquinhos almost so airport 3 back no into 3 back na nkasa no chance free Dortmund and no di Paris Saint-Germain and no dey to me drew Chelsea into at Paris Saint-Germain na the wing backs no Dani Alves Juan Bernat and a Brantier friend no Thomas Meunier they say no call Dortmund no omna na born the wing backs no into that type of coach or sa wing back operation a 3 back no ya de oya hu adwuma papa ye Paris Saint-Germain so be ball 6 no into be na obenya Rabiot alongside maybe Leonardo Paredes and now player bi onu so gina fifth no into N'Golo Kante ni Jorginho adwuma omo ye no why yes adwuma na free Paris ho na me sure say Paris Saint-Germain for no omo rebe ho kakra esan say coach omo pam na onye adwuma wo Chelsea and Paris Saint-Germain for ntumi am final no and ono edi Chelsea mom etumi adru final me sure say they regret a lot but about Chelsea no also no be any 3 back na but na variation kakra wom ebi obetumi abo double 10 no the Olivier Giroud na Tammy Abraham aka ho nanso ohwe se ne Tammy Abraham ni Olivier Giroud no mo ball no si dabi ma me mo Timo Werner Kai Havertz na me mo me Hudson Odoi na Hakim Ziyech na player bia no mo so emonti any Man City ball no so ni enheda nim ebiom so share Dortmund for send osi ball now share Paris Saint-Germain send no osi ball na ne wing backs no ball maniti sa picture we hwe bia Marcos Alonso gina hwe bia Reece James gina no nya ne back three no nya base midfield of Jorginho ni Abrante Fred Mateo Kovacic na che se omu adwuma no de enti o pair wing backs ne se Marcos Alonso baha obetwe number so no na ebo 3 na obenya the attention of the number 2 player into number 2 player no ko di Alonso wa na kwan kese medical ka so coach the awareness of the spaces into ye player ni free more. I was so because into Alonso betri 2 na ben na Mason Mount ewura ho ana Timo Werner ewura ho no atumi enya chance ana player be to Mason Mount especially owura no boa central midfield no na that Chelsea midfielders no adwuma no be bro omo so no ama Mason Mount abeka omo wo central midfield ho na chese omo ye adwuma anisa na was steady openya friend no Tuchel ni Chelsea bobo ko na say mo ba hu say ni center backs no meka team Christensen
95.7
Thiago Silva ne Antonio Rudiger especially omo 110 one na Christensen and Rudiger into left wing ho no obo say Rudiger gina ho obenya bench well no wanya obi ti say maybe Timo Werner na de hu ni say the central midfielders menu Jorginho ni N'Golo Kante no Jorginho be right na N'Golo Kante ba left into omo create sa overload on the wings so until Real Madrid the ball the content and wa ni ejina o yentumi fa ball ni run 50 na say N'Golo Kante je ball na wa catch him say o je ball na men fan call wings so me can the central midfielders no fa ball ni fan 50 into N'Golo Kante Jorginho je ball na no hwe Mason Mount and Kai Havertz and na the anti Apollo can start in say Kai Havertz form a bank krakra ono so no otumi gina ball no so na watumi lay pass na players ni room until na Kai Havertz etumi ball. I think say Kai is doing so well in terms of the new direction team no etumi enya into the central midfielders no Jorginho ni N'Golo Kante say wing backs ne ko no mo ko do no wa massa players na ba share sa position into N'Golo Kante ni Jorginho there a bad day say obetumi yi o ma free Thomas Tuchel ne plan him na de ma Thomas Tuchel na djuma no so ani say ding so obetumi akọ team bi mu half the season gone onya pre-season onya hwe na watumi ama team work na tumi aye djuma sa the same players
for bia mbeka ho
and na ono 3 back no wa ba into consistency and when you're the best 11 in there on any day, I can predict Chelsea starting 11. Edward Mendy, Azpilicueta, Thiago Silva, Rudiger, N'Golo Kante, Jorginho, Timo Werner, Mason Mount, Kai Havertz. Now, because Obaye no, Omobia Kwenya who said that be Emrantie said me to me she show me ya. I bet they say Frank Lampard benya ejuma fufraye because Thomas Tuchel ejuma wabaye no wama you say no na Frank Lampard or Semre or wasted talent or Thomas Tuchel a chesampa or a great or a very great coach na ebeye ding so benya counter attack against team friend Chelsea because no or man strikers no press anymore or more committee a lot of men outfielder into Chelsea lose ball no anymore na mrante press it obi e maki obi Chelsea there is a na quite complete team you cannot untumi and Kasabe na untumi and complaining so much about this sort of Chelsea performance than to congratulate them but the tosumienu I was here my dream basis say football no chairman one first can remua I bet this obedin kunim because Osha team this Man City obo finally Otto Carlos Tevez, Otto Yaya Toure, Otto Kun Aguero, Otto Alexander Kolarov, Otto Balotelli, Otto Edin Dzeko, Otto Kelvin De Bruyne, Otto Bernardo Silva. Under normal circumstance, in fact, the Ansana Abu Dhabi for no better Man City no. Now Man City for no were the 68th best team in the world. And she come there well over £1 billion. Or much made to Champions League final no. Now Roman Abramovich swaye be pay. Roman Abramovich a players or tutoye from Didier Drogba mrem no mo besi ne. Roman Abramovich de piano this can gum. No cry what say. And I think that this relates to Ghana, yes situation, you know. See to me £25 million, sorry, $25 million. See they call Cup of Nations, any World Cup. One first can rally league ni moi. And ya dia bet me make any progress. And I was say you penny for more madri ebaso. Now team me say and in fact this picture me pese ya hwefo ne atiefo nya adwen bebaso. Say jare be me di kan hwe no a. Paris Saint-Germain and Man City bobokuo no ubehu say omo invest sika no in terms of Sesiano Man City for invested $1.5 billion. $1.5 billion na Man City for from since 2008 Oma invested the number of first positions Omenya. Inti at Jaima, there was your no inflow. As at 205, 206 season, there was no investment. Man City were around the 14th position, 15th position thereabout. Investment never around 208, no. And Omushutu called the 10th position. And Omushutu called the 6th. And Omushutu called the 4th. They were first, second, first again, second, fourth. Third, second, first, then now second, and they'll win the Premier League this season. Into football, no, chairman. So one first, you can't remember. Yes, Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain for so chairman. Almost no. In fact, since 2011, the only time a PSG for winning the French Ligue 1 twice. I'm sure said this season so no a bad thing kakra momo. Man City for Paris Saint-Germain for no. Almost discussion from 2011. Almost also 13th. And almost shoot 2 years to the 4th position. And almost call first into my winning league no. At was on pre 9 and on better so me bako and on myself winning this season one shot. Na Lille for no to me Agi League no. Into the here near I was some GDA or nipa no this cannibal be shaman mo. Unya GDA woni mo a. And now Roman Abramovich emra we di Chelsea. And the sources or their back Chelsea bobo konim. Man City I think last season or so they spent close to like it was 2 seasons ago they spent close to like $410.2 million. It's a Man City ne bought Champions League final. Not Chelsea so bought Champions League final. And yes, almost sorry and this can musa. There's a proper plan. Almost said said there be a sikafo. Ya shisha nyoma ye sikan beshe. Inti was said you remu ye. Inti nese Chelsea bought the Champions League final. Aye mrebia Roman Abramovich na jese or babe to Chelsea bobo kono or the Sikeshim or the Didier Drogba number winning Champions League against Bayern Munich in 2012. A free hono na modimono shedan swani. Mamenfa Frank Lampard emra mentom rante bisomra ye invest. It's all about investment. And if the investment is right, you always get it right. Inti ayade bakwa I was say my dream to me as far as football air concerned. Okay. Now me share ball no chairman. In fact, ball na nkasano say me share live need the next second half because na me share me maswa shikakra. Na me pie by na was some correct ball no baby. Chairman me ma impanyinfo chairman I was say my dream koso pa. Send your man for si pay European football no. Me say Black Stars square ball cry nya ni pasa.
Say no 25 million. We go for the Thompson on the young.
Chairman, enra. Me nya sure say sorry cry na bi mu koye. Emranti be branko sorry enra. Enra no say bi mu cry o class o man ko. The passion for foreign football no e was say e ka bi che empanyfo no. Say bedroom baby no. One Shana Black Star Square Bobola,
because this is club football.
Yes.
A huge injection of capital.
Yeah.
Said your train.
Yeah.
Instead of injecting the capital into our club football, they are doing it for the national team.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And someone Chelsea second goal ni buy no. A teacher for bankers. Omo mu ye adwuma hospital. Omo ankasa ye omo adwuma be private businessmen. The day course me call share baby. Now Chelsea ni pegu hanie. Chairman, foreign football ni there. Say ye to me nya ho hwe because chairman tie second goal ni by the day na e joint am correct ball no. Okay.
95.7.
Wow.
Kotoko bobola onyani padu dom say haso foke bobola ni pantiem nan say kotko go kranka nkan no be 15 years ago say kotko go a obeti wo be bia na obet nan say kotko go a unti dede haso folk go a unti dede Black Star go a unti dede Chelsea na ye nim no be bia no hwe ahom keka nipa no odi rag omode attach o chire takrade hwe nipa menya show say Black Stars benya sa fans we
David
nipa ku kwan ho a omo celebrate it should tell us something say ye ya ka kire ye football no ka kire nkwala no omo ba no omo nim kotoko omo nim House of Folk onim Chelsea Kotoko replica jersey ento.
Obenim Black Stars. So Black Star ne omanpanyi ye hu meeting. Friend go for the interest card. Obehu Black Star because ne dey sika nyine wuram. But we know ya Jing. I mean if Sankia if 25 million, imagine if every single football club in the Premier League enya even $500,000.
Yes.
Capital injection.
Yes.
Say ebia ya the mamo for the next 3 years. We want to make sure say a league not pay anymore.
Yeah.
Everybody will bring players from Senegal, Guinea.
Yeah. At
a point, Obeka has go near Kosino Toji.
Yeah.
That time you the bomber working no more down national team.
Yeah. Yeah.
And able.
Yeah.
And then has a vocal the radio vocal our body national team. Imagine if we had like 3 or 4 omunye by your players you retain your in our league.
Yeah.
You was sika.
Yeah.
By any be you this kind of blaster could you go share 3 months next canasa.
A big problem, and well, as we congratulate Chelsea, a time for sober reflection.
Yes,
I was here at Nasine who said, in the next 20 years, I'm so about Ghana Premier League. Onim teams or more Ghana Premier League them, but debate biaba.
Now only one vice president of our land a tweety about
Spurs.
Tottenham.
Aye. So president so bobo teams no obo Kotoko no obo Orlando Pirates, Spurs, Real Madrid no in the referee say mediama no nyina ho. So that's we have a challenge. And rasa ohwe nipa na egu kwam overspeed na nra na ekoso Kumasia nkwala ni tuka Chelsea win you. Oh, Chelsea that Onim Chelsea will be
the guy issue here is that maybe free ban. First name what their friend is geographical boundaries. Na boy say me wa ha.
Chad for league yom de. Ghana for league yom de. Cameroon for league yom de. Obi atimidim.
Internet in the buy now ultimate na no tweet je suis Paris and SARS and Sanyo man. So obi fi asem cry wasem. And obi anywhere this ka be man Kwame, je tense this na ko market Sokoto Kosuaba okoya na Kwame ahwenyame anim ato Kosua pro de abrene mame because Kosua no de ban ne mame ntimi nsan yusu wasan de cent abafie ho nti ene nkra no omunim se omu wo musika na omu wo time and that's so critical omu mrea omu no ene e omu dia their time is there so omu decided omu there se obeba na obeto replica GC na onhu so mfaso ana so beto replica jesu to kroma na beto replica no krobia first kan bi edi ana say okay asumdwe broni de na wo hoyi mame nkotobi anu dan chen enkomo a yedi e wo yen league no ho first nka papa and introduce you to team am support or cost stadium na de woko o TV no ho ofia ana ko gaming centers no baby omo yi saa matches na obi amfa ba ma hwetrim unya kwan ko didi referee na tem ye nchu nko police station enti no omo ahwe omo life omo setrema no mo say no look broni de na say me de mani konwa menya asumdwe me hu beto me sika be hye me boton because baby aye kika kono e bia na amanfu hu ne se ne ahunu no but ekrobia no uwo ma ye say youth no and baby omo connect the direction of the country in the future baby ye di ani ahwe sesia no I'm for you almost not no look people were exposed to football made in Germany not TV3 or Brazil league French league but there's now interaction kasa nkomodie no enye radio na enye TV omo no estati ebra omuntimi name Kotoko 11 didn't know ntimi name because when him say the best smuggle obi di na behwem we kra nim so bebo ana ombo so it's not there. And the fans now don't have enough appetite. So on be idolize. Oh, player with the Chastela. Oh, Ishmelado. Oh, Steve Nodu. And they be new. See the class themselves. They don't care about the Ghana market. How much more fans now? Until just say 25 million neighbor support because I know they'll be our passport.
Unim say Oko South Africa. Omo to me at the Orlando Pirates Kaizer Chiefs game share Chelsea Liverpool the same time. Because the Soweto Derby a festival and people will watch because Oma Games in South Africa the teams say we are Kaizer Chiefs no the omo to Soweto schools no no more players no chapel pictures no omo hroma they go about them and it's the young nation maybe secondary school be trunk ma players pictures go na bob obia and now could be a young man Drogba Hazard Mbappe Neymar Messi Ronaldo because yeah making effort to kill it. The FA president went to the presidency to make a case for Blaster.
Yeah.
He didn't care about the league.
Yeah. A league any sponsor.
He didn't care.
Any headline sponsor.
Sponsor no cry the chairman him say wakakra. Abanya promise so on my club sika. Both Division 1 and the Premier because of COVID. Well, Okoye one bosso.
Now the Division 1 is getting more. 10,000 Ghana cedi. A club Division 1.
Per each club.
Each club 10,000 Ghana cedi. 100 million.
Yeah. So that makes it 480,000
Yes.
Ghana cedis. Yeah.
10,000 Ghana cedi.
Yeah.
And the winning bonus of one Blaster player for playing a 90 minutes game.
Yeah.
Yeah, the amount a whole football club. Someone Jenkobo. How many matches?
Well over
Over 30 matches.
Absolutely.
Yeah, on Jenkobo. 10,000.
Yeah.
Abanche Premier League clubs, some will be 50,000 Ghana cedi. 50,000. Okay, you should do Blaster players because some have come back from 12,000 a game.
Yeah.
And the $10,000 go and 57,000.
Yeah.
Yama Premier League club Asante Kotoko has for 50,000. Adriana Stars with Diama the 50,000. It cannot buy one player. Yeah, the amomo. The every president so yeah that buys your boy in some. Now you go buy now. Ni eje. Sika de come Black Stars akobo AFCON any year. We are talking about $25 million.
Yeah. In a country, our players seem to mean $2,000 salary, $5,000 salary. Start times cameras here 3. And rush a ball here, she pitch and run any ball so ball. She cameras a try ball. Of course, they are in advanced countries and advanced territories. But Senya in your mercy, Sano, a bedroom babino, FA president, Kranwa Unya Association, Bianano. Because a bedroom babino. In Canada, na Guinea, ni Zambia, ni Zimbabwe, ni mtumi tu kotoko omukro mono. Ebedru baby no. One shall not even maybe Mediama Kwane was also sunny dinko takwa Real Madrid.
And nothing will be a big key point. Emra almost started our start times you know. Fine, we need to make money, but it's our game that popular. Other than popularize a game, no. Then in the future we look at making money from TV rights. And you know we say other than every president can make a case to government. Say government. Say your football, no. Your league, you know. You want to free to the state broadcaster now. You be able to start times kakra. It's my sponsorship kakra. It's imagine if government can buy the $5 million of the 25 every local league. And now obie to share local league be accessible be able to be. Korokoni has a bona obi. Sebia on YouTube, on Facebook, on GTV, on TV3, on Adum TV, on Angel TV. No be a it breeds up, you know, interest, you know. Assign bar. Mikepa is size the Kalamuma Kotokoni has wa. I am saying how the Korea bedsheet.
Yeah.
Obia kono the bedsheet.
Yeah.
Then crown Obia for bedsheet nibi. Near the chine. And then Kotokoni has wa. Obit stadium. And Chen when obita and then Kotoko match. Because Onimbi a man for a conscious effort to kill the game. Almost say they love the game. Then you are going to hashtag bring back the love. Bringing back the love is not about a hashtag. It's about practicality.
Absolutely.
And then this is our league.
Yeah.
This is our football.
In fact, Chelsea winning few final no wako. Now she Nigeria never Ghana. Maybe the number of Chelsea fans I mean who's almost show more replica no. Now why is Chelsea near Kumasi based? But Chelsea is not in Kumasi. I think we have to start thinking about, you know more as far as football now concerned. But finally, Ebimu Sususa Anka Yensa final ni venue no.
It's like Evama Wembley. Because they say as a fans record
all English final.
By Istanbul, yes, I'm almost twice.
Okay.
Who's the last day? When I was like a final, I don't need you call Lisbon.
Okay.
Because of restrictions, COVID restrictions.
Okay.
There's so many There's almost a you got.
So Nyakwaya host the Champions League final. Now it brings a lot to you. But near the banner prestige near any Munyama Bebo Istanbul. But Nyamia no quarry so any year pa kwabna. Nipa na ombeba krumono. You see, Obama ticket 15,000. But you could have as many as 100,000 fans descending on the city. Nyama ombedi nyombe no bebo economy. Nipa wuntimimba.
Yeah.
If you have the opportunity to ask for the next, look out, ask. Because in a reality, your experiment with Euro 2020 this summer in Asefa, there's the likelihood say be stadium massively next season.
Next season, yeah.
Not just can go bottom. But
obi akabeka say Istanbul for ntia say
they will
overcome Wembley now
unless be my
next year
or my arrangement agu ho a ama omo be trom enye sa party but well Manchester City fans be catch us why is London a neutral venue.
Aye.
Oh, okay.
Over train grass over there.
Maybe that's the day the Milan in neutral venue.
But I think Chelsea are the favourites for this final.
Oh yes, they are.
Yeah.
Adeba Kope and Amisro. On paper, the coach coaching Manchester City is better than the Chelsea coach.
Okay.
They have a better team. Manchester City.
Yeah.
They have a better team. But finals no Adea Mehun say Ebibo ne Diakoje Cup.
Aye.
It is a Manchester City be bought final on one cup. Chelsea are bought Ajibida.
Yeah.
They are bought 3 all English finals.
Final, yeah.
2 year camp, but this is the third one.
Yeah.
Then North vs South.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, North for Neji.
Yeah.
Tottenham, Liverpool, North for Nigeria. Manchester United, Chelsea, North for Nigeria. Another Manchester. But yes, Chelsea are best equipped to win, but they would have to play the game and force Manchester City to play the occasion. And yes, sir, that's why Manchester City now about the game and not the occasion. The occasion will bring nerves. Popo kakra ebetitie simba kwabna say a ball game. Me ball final.
Yeah.
Me be 90 minutes na me
Yeah.
Manchester City can easily beat them.
I'm saying Chelsea for almost they strive under underdog tag.
No, unfortunately in the final they are not underdog.
And Chelsea Sherman City in the African
Absolutely. Yeah.
So I'm believe no show.
Yeah.
I'm question more.
Yeah.
But see, the issue here is that Chelsea they drew final. Omonya underdog beam
Against Bayern in 2012.
against Bayern they had no pedigree in this competition. But ene ye koba a former winner wabo final miensa.
I think City na underdog.
Of course.
95.7.
As far as current form you're concerned here, City have a better team.
Competition with current form Sembia in the drew final na. Obe ball and now be here occasion you try mo pictures kakra mo yes and man. You must play.
And Chelsea ball no mo boy any say omania breach in team bia we say.
No, but game now Manchester City boy in the second leg no. And how they controlled PSG at some point. They have control.
Yeah.
You know, I'm looking forward to what happens between now and then. But on paper, Manchester City have the better team. They have the better coach. Who plays the final? Why the ball no? Why the ball occasion?
Ngolo Kante ni Antonio Rudiger. Boys ni ball no mo ball no.
Oh no, but
and then pass me quota yesterday bi. No see we are say pa
I don't say also now my Tuchel credit no.
Yan to the punch.
Thomas Tuchel.
As we go to the Bagunya and na be pam the Chelsea fan come put in mind. And then he's a different player.
Different player. Rudiger Bobo. Wow. It's all good. It's all good. It's all
and the
good.
car about coaches what they add to clubs. And we are hoping say halfway mobile be now. What is a coach be about is a coach no signature. At that team.
I'm just hopeful say Premier League players no share in game no. Especially midfielders no strikers.
Coaches no know more.
No, chairman, sometimes football a movement. Who wants a player jina for pass ni mami no be o jina no expect pass no. Who dream how unti ase. It was so strategic movement. And no ye hu ye no. Obi anyina baby faako. And no N'Golo Kante. Obo positions ni nia. Jogging obo positions ni nia. Enti sa movement no. Sa movement na nko so awuntumi nyi opposition in free.
And then Real Madrid did not really create chances.
No.
Chelsea defense were that compact.
No. Real Madrid cried.
How many 2 openings? I know so that very good saves from Mendy.
No yard also. No cry on inti. Me sure say you inti na Florentino per Super League no. Onyeska. Ni sika ni odi koto Hazard. Na skanash. Inti na ni abrese anka onya league bi anka be man kakra because Toni Kroos they are good players but Vinicius he say let me fire into Akola is one yes Real Madrid are there but it's evident and Chelsea for expose so much and SNMD kind no we are magnanimous in defeat yajitum no cre said the Chelsea omo boy papa e be san ball ma basubio.
Well, Chelsea day, a blue day. Enti you have 10 Chelsea fans. If you calls, no, just 10 of the fans. 90 I'm sure say still Obi a Chelsea fan by now was Chelsea jersey. Or the word you whether I was Central Market or that war doom pizza or baby magazine baby I will be Moro Market of him say mutie show no pa ni baby yetiemu ya be voice note so ya be kakra yeah WhatsApp line here 0240929283 0240929283. Okay, hello
Chama one.
Yes sir.
Chama friend Peter because 50 cents.
Okay, Peter. Me too.
Chelsea both Chelsea for players number so far and the room ball on my the someone take cap no cry akuma to the Madrid na ya show no kwa de akuma to the theater book and Obi tries so ya dana sifa say or that's support to Real Madrid now e be that.
Okay, all right, Martin, that's be. Hello,
Zina.
Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
If I say in the Bombay working.
Bombay working. We are it too.
Oh, Zina. That means so. Yeah, the Damasi. That means just no video. Yeah. Right. Mami too.
You too.
What is that? See, I'm saying 2 legs in England. Yeah. Police is a yen for why the bazaar.
Ni me wanna transform.
Woman has come to 10. Yeah. The Bobo, yes, you're not quitting.
Okay. Okay, well, here live on Facebook. Well, I'm at Chelsea, we on the streets of West London. No mugum chose, ano. Any general and Yasin. Hello.
Hello, Chama.
Yes, sir.
The family of
about you in your bar.
And Mozumbo Park and so. I see I do Red Cup.
Sir, Mozumbo Park and so.
May say Ghana. I push it. And GDP say, Lampard, the Pamon.
Okay, Matia, that's me. Hello.
The one and only Shamu.
Yes, sir.
Protocol, I'm going to
Yeah.
Then about Africa, I'm a big game or schoolboy, I'm a talent, then I'm a big game. Some of you know, I beg your phone about an old thing by going and go on some.
That's about
Andy, anybody. Don't push Madrid. If you push Madrid will react. Open your reaction and then I could die and I
and now they are follow and
you say Gina Bench and your boys in a damn jam in Guru Master country and now boys in a bobo. And I'm there against Romaya from Porto, Yabatiafe, Atletico, Yabatiafe, Madrid, Yabatiafe. Open your tear show what you could was one at your and you come and go brown crew. There are some that was also we are not towards the city. Every cup in your place, yeah, no pain on Jeremiah Shaw. There's some more fine. I think you will see your on the easy. Do for life.
Okay. Okay.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Good morning, Uncle.
Where's your souvenir?
And now then, it's a well level Chelsea, well level no year picture. And I can boy. Well level.
Is it I'm going to move by 111 no more?
Well level, yes, no more. When you choose, I'm with them every.
Okay, just one. If I'm here to chat to her. Hello. Yes, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
This is the Yaboko.
I'm here to me where pa.
Money president will be a downfall. Emi sɛ mekai obi wia 3 to 4 no a no go stima wo no na me obi me frɛ obi na obi di mendi ho saw ɛna ntia da 4 no ko anka yɛ wa sabuta we ɛna gen ɛna the person beside the car sɛ wa tena no aka na ɔbɛn tena ma wa fɛ de kura bibi na me se papa atom sɛ na mo ka sɛ ne ɔbɛn ko ni ko ni the waiter you know, that amount of ball is too much. You know, the ball no come. I'm telling you. Bring me back.
You be sir, maybe I know me na easy restrictions na kakra. Na yempe one big venue near for giant screens here. Na you move ya heavy. Na the final. That will be on the 29th of May. Yeah, how it goes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
PKB.
Yes, sir.
And then rather many people are risky and I almost in to live. PKB. And now many papa. Me chair, you know, and you know, I'm not going to, I don't know, one for course.
I know, of course, on.
Of course, I mean, when you can.
We are no Johnny, no slow.
Oh, slow. PKB. I mean, I can't go in any class now to. And
Arsenal to qualify. And Arsenal to qualify. All English final Europa and also to and also to. You go to National Nadia, baby. But yeah, but that's it. On one, you know, over the manga on your Pep Guardiola go ball without striker. Now what's the place you go ball without striker? You whining him go ball without striker. But then I didn't be another way. There is a be ya. Anyway, I tell you what, but you better hear some no more. But Eric Kakra, FIFA ne CAF nyade statement about Bontinti. Oma kwe you know sign. Oma go France. It's still on Meko. FIFA can confirm that in conjunction with CAF and taking into consideration the current disruption caused by the COVID-19 pandemic and the need to ensure optimal playing conditions for all teams, it has been decided to postpone the African qualifiers of the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 that were due to be played in June 2021. The qualifiers are now scheduled to take place in the existing windows of September, October, and November 2021 and March 2022. ATS meetings are do akoso and kaniban so as and watch every free Ghana, ako France, omako England, omako Spain, ako Germany. Some go baby Ghana back camp no omon sign. I don't know see enyama and I still omako ato. Omako dia to.
Ai omako. So sika no dia da ho. It's all so omako.
Sika ye di adwuma. Ko pe baby e beda facilities papa ni aye training ni asuma dwen ni aba be Ethiopia wa. Enu anti na nkaye ko. Na esan say na wiase asesa. Na minister dey on sesa yen ntino. I say ekoyichi na ebisa ho questions. Say September no dey a window epono ben ene ye fam no. Afi dey unlike last season. Erenimu say European leagues in best start August. Inti jai play anima wa obo Sunday we are near Janama and maybe obo Monday. All match no could be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Inti why ene kwa bruchi akoye camping.
Omeka 2 days
so wasam.
It's got to go for
because we no e da clear. Amaye was a minister no nim ne o ke kan bebre. Secondly, na briefing no so e form because CAF communication bia omo de bebra ban NEF no now omo tied the shame said the situation is very fluid and could change at any time. Nti emwa say ni bre ho say by force I say kwa bruchi na bebo against Ethiopia and they CAF adaroma yetwam nti untimi nkoda hotel untimi nkofa security wa bruchi ane boden sasika no eda ho. Secondly, an approach towards World Cup qualifiers nankasa no as a nation e was sesan denti e was sesan no wahwema no timu say kwabna maximum 3 windows near about 6 games.
Yeah.
3 September window no bebo, October bebo, November no bebo, possibly March no about playoff no.
Yeah.
Intino and your master. And on all these occasions yenya boys no na de ma ni
2 weeks campaign
enye juma bakwabna the issue here current issue the emi hu no the match 1 na mianim ni credit me tie idea me gidi say nye sane e be sapa e o see a group ni timi topic group ni top ni de enye ye modemo na be confirm ni sikani bre ene ni oma we should easily top this group nemum any planning for that match 2022 window I'll say a factor AFCON na ebe born in January to February no. Any the way in a class no ebe relate because FIFA windows ne dey rest assured obeba bebo. Nemum AFCON no eya no mo twetwe ho. Ti nim ka be fa so edi nkomo. 2 And now no Panama here uhuma COVAX sa common platform for the purchasing of air vaccines no. Almost near cost war India now almost share omo ntino vaccines number. Nti ene AU no any World Health Organization there is a measures go akwem say over to kwa restrictions no. E be man now until India for be start some produce vaccines no. And no cost not we have the potential say above Cornelia according to whom sembeding. Because a bit me about genuinely so okokru bi so almost you no okoha untimi me bo ema wo European club into the place ni bi okro monko into baby
said the South Africa situation
exactly
and we are still Africa is still in our group
oh we musu eno na ma asem ni ehun into say no we nye sikadi asem
almost can go no me
we nye sikadi we nye sika na 25 million ena ma iskan kudi debi ye betua bribe sem bi ania now a logistical planning a bread Ghana form for huncho so ba be catch say 25 million no ye ntimi anko camp there be we so my argument I be todwa so mo ba ha ya na man for ye mo na from na gas so from no etonsium because it's obvious say po yempo ye best start a campaign no ha on Tuesday and expect the players to arrive Tuesday morning, Wednesday morning, and then get at least the core of the team by Thursday.
Yeah. Train on Friday and Saturday.
You are ready to play.
Then you are playing on.
Inti we no die baby enu abeti mako jina aka say there be ye kobo Ethiopia. Inti no ye be ne den at best ya ye bi pen kroma and then you would excuse you. In 2005 ye kotna na Evaisha kakra to acclimatize because obi enim ball aye bo ewo Ethiopia any Kenya send city. Inti no we would excuse you. But pass Ghana be ball ha also ko Europe o ko ye den. Ghana and Uganda and Ethiopia.
A boy I see 2 weeks. Germany.
Obieni me hono said the problem you would face and your born so nimbo and also nimbo altitude problem. Absolutely. Into altitude no Germany now kofano because German athletes now mo long distance no on by Ethiopia. Into wo koye de minister need defense. FA president need defense. Georgia Mwakuma men committee chairman need defense. CAF assistant bibia. The final part the fact that some countries almost stadium approved aside COVID no countries need be almost stadium after inspection no Leopold Sedar Senghor Stadium Senegal wasn't approved into enya dey na Senegal bit my ball matches wo fie Burkina matches no more they call Mali Guinea Stadium approved here into they were also looking at the potential of playing in Mali say emfa pressure I meto Mali swa Inti never be brio why was here luckily ye was annual man COVID no so NDA nyasa inti we are clean name me opponents inti baby adru nye CEO for 10 million bra or for 50 million bra and no dey enroll currently people must put their heads down for pensi people so now developing models say we see aye be den we see how reaction be na be ma enu na hu hia the key based on this release is that March next year is going to be very crucial.
Yeah,
very very crucial. Yeah, because the ball of Conniwe ya no, what jai players no, omo come back to omo clubs. Oh, Babebo, so top you group now. I think Babebo double header no.
Yeah,
playoff no. And on a problem na kese no be wo. Enye group no. To any nyesika sem etwam. I'm now to be call FIFA 8 eko header e Germany aba ye twam.
Sani abehe.
Yami.
They say can come dey kono. And then you be din wo Germany ni nyina. Yes, Roma, among calculating team free. Young family, look at clubs. And yes, so young fan started foundation for at least a national, training complex. Yeah. Bibi. Yeah. My wait, Mrs. Kelly, 25.
Come on, you want to go for still no mbeko.
No go ahead. This is episode.
No mbeko.
Omaka say omo ya read me new year.
No good, but almost
oh, omaka say ya kohwa to ho.
Omo go here say via Afcon you go ah.
But I'm just hopeful say release way from CAF and FIFA no be my clarity. So as Takai no replanning, re-strategizing. Maybe I do don't know. In planning. So now we have to think because
so somebody should talk to the minister. Say if I were convincing is sika. And if so be a can be a papa say penny a day with the scowl no more day. champion na minim de ono so aka cha omampanyi ene de omaka cha omampanyi the zeal and the commitment to this is amazing.
Yeah.
Ofre CEO so ofre kasaprokofo no ofre banks ne wa banks ne ba no se be na ye adwuma ye go fobi na afa adwuma nti ye sende akọ because banks CEO ofre Fidelity CEO ono ne board baby ogo board so ofre friends ofre GT Bank CEO Nigerian bank ono so ko Nigeria na àwọn fọnso kasi sọ mo nim no yesi kanom se sade mama every so be yom se gefrio why is that charge you
oh that's some day ana na
obviously so mo nim na se bombom de no ka bank o save o so mo list so when the bank need to escape bia that day no be close account because who say so mo need this guy because some was escape on for me boa local clubs
absolutely
so banks so mo nyina ko meeting no first can me boa local clubs at least they know better for our league. All right, yanko anime na so yenje mu yene Naturalin Company Limited by chinkomo enchekra but say unu say a man so wafu competition e baso.
Okay.
A man no make who say it's more like Champions League by a zone no. Say wafu for bomb dey na we abon dey ha.
CAF Champions League no.
Azakes ladies.
Okay. No man is come dey call.
Everything is on bitia on bibia mom.
Okay.
Everything is on hotel omo per DMs ne bibia on bitia e dia mom.
Okay.
Na say nye everything bitia komo na mo Ghana komo kwa bono. Yes, enye kare ko be din. It's omo yes sir. CAF president no say oba Ghana. But I understand that the trip has been cancelled because our president will not be available.
Okay.
The CAF president oba also share omopanyi.
Yeah.
Na CAF president ba on kan cho omopanyi so omopanyi. I think there's about 25. Yeah, CAF for the budget dey ba dey no kwa no. So nti everything so ozo construct a new secretariat pam.
Okay.
Nti omo be share construction ase yame ya aduma enne. That is why we are gathering. Already Kosika Akono has submitted a list of 36 players. 36.
Okay.
For Ghana. Yeah, AFCON World Cup qualifiers. No?
Okay.
Was submitted the amount for the management committee, the technical team. Say players we need pooler. The players. No?
Okay.
36 players. In the Vetetia, number 23, 24. In no, and then share and also Ashanti Gold at the statement about one thing.
Okay.
Respect to wherever they say our communication aspect. The name the entire as good train move be can you working in every and then almost statement about one thing. Say head coach Roman Fowles and goalkeepers coach Alejandro Manu Rodriguez have officially requested for a mutual termination of their contract agreements with the club. Okay. Management would explore all available options in relation to their contractual situation and decide on the next line of action. In the meantime, assistant coach Thomas Dia has been tasked to lead the technical team until a substantive decision is made in relation to the technical direction of the club. And here, Asgold, Asgold need the only team going to be 4 coaches. League now, and it's likely there will be a fifth. Said the AC Aircon. Yet to take Air Frank the Tall, Dean, and so and in the Montini and Yuguswa. Okay.
Maxwell could do 2 years no Legon Cities. Say no opinion no obisa almost omo pen animu year na next season.
Before me nyan say Maxwell ka o strong say go man next season.
Next season.
But Legon Cities one so omo had say the AC go.
I'm saying no cry.
Next season is we coach omo mama obi park. Because na anya Accra Stadium.
Okay. It's omo yan is here because no na onya 2-year contract but I'm say I was so more year who
Maxwell o enjoy goodwill pa.
Yeah.
So you soon year no man say
yeah.
One year bedu be so coach Domachi change.
Yeah, because national team our under 17 when year Jumano and Legon City so when year Jumanity. I'm said by the close of today no na Legon Cities for na man reply say omuhiano animu ya na wakoshe Bashir Hayford so anamiti. Let's see what happens out there. And coach Ignatius so no there's something in the pipeline cooking. Premier League clubs maybe edina cheaper into
Techiman for Domahim crew, Domai Diana 11 wonders match, no, and the news was that they wanted him back.
Yeah.
And they wanted him back.
In fact, there was.
Oh yeah, are you from 11 wonders for the more per the power?
Yeah, they want.
But they say,
training.
Yeah.
I say, when I'm Tizano Kachom say, Sabi, a human Jaga, your boo, hold it. Yeah, I know, Hosem. It's just some people go with Jar Cancer. So the account would dinner, the come 30,000 Ghana cedi. Or of us can man.
Yeah.
No, you do then what Jinisika.
Yeah.
Then you have you know more passion crying what Jiska. But some would say you go training near Sunday.
Hard drink.
Okay, you have friends here. You have heard Now